So today I'm going to be doing this on another 12 by 12. This is actually the last 12 by 12 I have right now. I'll figure it out in a bit. I got new tape too. It's so nice. I didn't mean to do that. Whoops. I'm off to a great start. Oh. Okay, so down to my the biggest cups I have. So I'm going to add it to my Artist Loft neon pink and titanium white mix that I made. Very bright, very pretty. I like it a lot. Like, I barely need the paint for these. And the other one, there's my stick earlier. And the other paint I'm going to add it to is Liquitex Basics in bronze, because I like adding a little bit of metallics every once in a while. I added gold in the last one, so I want to see how bronze plays out in this one. It's a darker metallic and I like it still. That's water. Silicone. Still using my OGX stuff. You can find it at Walmart. Real cheap. Jeff started originally using it in his beard, and we had some kicking around and saw that it had the dimethicone in it. Yeah, it had a silicone in it, so we're like, okay, you can use this. And yeah, it's not that it had the dimethicone in it, it had a different form of silicone in it, and that works really well, so we went for that one. If you guys want more of a little like chemistry sciencey lesson about the different kinds of silicone while I'm painting, let me know in the comments. I'm happy to teach. I I went to school for chemistry, so the fact that there was like some chemistry involved in this kind of made me all squee. So where to start? Okay, so the other colors I'm going to be using today are Grumbacher in Prussian Blue, Riotech Purple. Riotech's a Canadian brand. I like their paints. They work well. It's a very nice purple in my opinion. Also, I'm going to be using Winsor and Newton Crimson, so I'm using like a wide spectrum of paints here. So, where to start? Start with that. Pink. Bronze red? Bronze. No, red bronze. Come on. I have to scrape the rest of it out for the next one. Same with the pink. Sometimes using larger cups is not beneficial. Where was I? Okay, purple. Now I'll do the rest of my pink. I already added purple, so I'll do blue. It's red. Put the bronze on top. Because why not? I'm sorry if I'm my own way, but gotta do what I gotta do sometimes. Okay, so get that out of the way. Itchy nose. I was petting my cat before I came down here. That was not wise. I'm surprised I'm not getting cat hairs all over the place, actually. She's very much daddy's girl. It's kind of cute. Pushing blue. Purple. Ooh. Easy. Scared me. Okay. So for a change today, I'm gonna actually torch it before I tilt it to see what happens, just for fun. I do like the micro cells, but I want to see what kind of bigger cells I can get from tilting with it torched. Here. Yay! I probably should have put on gloves first, but I can put on gloves after I do this. So we had a wicked thunderstorm earlier today, which was always fun. We were gonna go out and do groceries, and then the thunderstorm hit, and it got really rainy fast, and it was difficult to really want to go anywhere with the amount of rain that was coming down in sheets. It wasn't fun. Watching it on the radar was interesting because it was like going in circles and stuff, and yeah. Usually because of where we are, we have this like weird little protective bubble thing where the rain just goes around us, and today was not one of those days. It just kind of sucked it in, and it was like, oh, great. So putting these on preemptively. Ooh. The lippies. Ooh. Wasn't expecting it to do that, that's for sure. Okay. Okay, let's see what we can get from this now. Alright, let me just clean off my palette knife real fast, because I don't want it going all funky on me. So find something to wipe it down on. Okay. I'm gonna tuck my string in my sweater. I'm happy I preemptively torched it. It's coming out pretty cool so far. Ooh. There is a lot of paint here. It's neat to see all the other bubbles and stuff pop and creating other cells and stuff as I'm going too. It's so pretty. Ooh, stomach, stop this. Making all sorts of funny noises at me. That's what happens when I eat and then come down here, right? Ugh. Oh boy, look at that. I'm just trying to get my squiggles, like, I don't know, to do something. There. Ah, so much paint everywhere. Trying to save gloves now, so this should be fun. Alright, flip them inside out for now and fix them later. Maybe not stick them in a puddle. Alright. Wow. Okay. I get too torch happy sometimes. I get it. This is actually so pretty, and I'm happy I, well, picked the colors I did. Oh, now I'm painting myself because the other stuff that's around. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna get you down for a close-up because I really like this. This is bomb diggity in my mind. Adding the baby pink to this was a last minute decision, but I'm really happy I did because it brightened it up in ways I don't think any really other color would have done like this, especially how I made it because it's so bright. Let me know what you guys think of this one down in the comments below. I really love Prussian blue. It's such a pretty color. Like this video if you like this painting. Share with your friends to spread the love. And subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you all next time.